How to invest in stocks for beginners. Are you ready to learn how to make money in the stock market? Let's get started. First, let's define what investing in stocks is. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a small piece of ownership in a company. The value of your investment can go up or down based on the performance of the company. And the best part, it's a great way to make money in the long run. So, how can beginners start investing in stocks? One way is through a brokerage account. You can open an account with a company like Charles Schwab or E-Trade and start buying and selling stocks. This is a great way to get started and learn the basics of the stock market. Another way to invest in stocks is through a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is an online investment service that uses algorithms to manage your investments. It's a great option for beginners who want a hands-off approach. And lastly, don't be afraid to do your research. Before you invest in a stock, make sure to research the company and the industry it's in. Look at the company's financial statements and read news articles about the company. This will help you make informed decisions and increase your chances of making money in the stock market. Remember, investing in stocks can be risky, but it's also a great way to make money in the long run. With a little bit of research and a bit of patience, anyone can start investing in stocks and achieve financial success. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more investment tips and strategies. And don't forget to start investing in stocks today and watch your money grow. See you next time.